Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to convert 0.1101 binary to decimal. Let us write the steps involved in converting binary to decimal number. Here, the first step says multiply each digit of a given binary number by its positional weights. Now step 2, add all the products. Now let us go for multiplying each digit of a given binary number by its positional weight. You can see here we have been given with the fractional binary number. So in place of whole number we have got 0. After the decimal point we have got the binary digit which is called binary fraction. So after the decimal point we have to write bit number 1, that is leftmost bit number 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. Next bit is 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. Next bit is 0 into 2 to the power minus 3. Next last bit is 1 into 2 to the power minus 4. So let us further simplify this. So here 2 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 into 1 divided by 2. So second step, what it says, add all of these products. You can write plus sign over here. Next I'll write plus as it is. This bit number 1 as it is. 2 to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 divided by 2 to the power plus 2. Similarly, plus 0 into anything will become 0. Directly I'll be writing 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 4 can be written as 1 divided by 2 to the power plus 4. Now let us further simplify. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only, plus 1 into 1 by 2 to the power 2 is 2 2s are 4. Here I can write 1 divided by 4 plus 0, you leave it, 1 into 1 divided by 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 means we have to multiply 2 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So here I am going to write 1 divided by 16. Let us further simplify. 1 divided by 2 can be written as 0.5 plus 1 divided by 4 can be written as 0.25 plus 1 divided by 16. So here we'll write 1 divided by 16. 1 cannot be divided by 16. So let us take 0 point. So here it will become 10. So 10 is less than that of 16. So hence once again we'll take one more 0. So to make it 100. So 16, how much is 100 or less than that? Here you can see 16 fives are. So that is 80. Next you can go for 16 6 are. 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 96, which is near to 100. So 16 6 are, 16 1s are 16 6 are 96. 100 minus 96, that gives us 4. So it will become 40, you can write. Next 16, how much are 40 or less than that? Here you can see 16 2s are 32, correct? 16 3s are, you just check it out. 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 48. So which is more than this number. So what we can do is 16 2s are, we will write 16 2s are 32. So what is the remainder now? 40 minus 32 is 8. So it will become 80. So 16, how much are 80? Here you can see 16 5s are 80. So it will get cancelled by 5. So here we got 1 divided by 16 as 0.0625. Here I'll write 0.0625. Now add all of these fractions. I'll write 0.5, 0.25, 0.0625. So add all of these. So I'll get 5, 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, carry is 1, and here sum is 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8.0. So here you can see we got 0.8125. So let us write here 0.8125 to the base 10.